everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that's making waves in the audio world. The SoundPEATS Engine 4 wireless earbuds. With high-res audio certification, LDAC support, dual dynamic drivers, and a massive battery life, these earbuds are packed with features. Let's find out if they live up to the hype. First, let's talk about high-res audio and LDAC technology. These earbuds are certified by the Japan Audio Society, ensuring they deliver a truly immersive listening experience. With a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 40 kHz, they capture details most earbuds miss. The LDAC codec takes it a step further, reproducing audio with exceptional clarity, so you hear every nuance in vocals and instruments. Quick note though, this feature is currently unavailable for iOS users. Now, what really sets the SoundPEATS Engine 4 apart is the dual dynamic driver system. This innovative coaxial design combines a 10mm woofer and a 6mm tweeter. The result? Crystal clear highs and deep, punchy bass. Whether you're into classical music or heavy beats, these earbuds handle it all beautifully. With Bluetooth 5.3, these earbuds provide faster, more stable connections and lossless sound transmission. Plus, they feature multi-point connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly switch between two devices, like your phone and laptop. Perfect for multitasking pros out there. And let's talk battery life. You get an impressive 12.5 hours of playback on a single charge, and up to 43 hours total with the charging case. Gamers, this one's for you. The 70-millisecond low latency mode ensures smooth synchronization between audio and video, making these great for gaming and watching movies. And with the SoundPEATS app, you can fully customize your audio experience, from EQ settings to button controls. It's like having a personal sound engineer in your pocket. So, are the SoundPEATS Engine 4 earbuds worth it? Absolutely. With high-res audio, dual drivers, long battery life, and multi-point connectivity, they offer exceptional value for the price. Whether you're a music lover, gamer, or someone who just wants premium audio on the go, these earbuds are a solid pick. If you're interested, I've added the product link in the description and pinned comment. Go check it out and upgrade your audio experience today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Catch you in the next one.